back with me. So, we are staying for a week sa Romblon. I think I'm gonna pack 4 or 5 casual clothes. Yes, and like 4 na pang-alas. So, this is the bag that I'm going to use. Yes, malaki siya. So, for casual clothes, I've already picked 4. Pero hindi ko sure kung yan ba talaga kasi later, lalabahan ko pa yung iba kong damit. So, this is my my shirt. It's from Pen Shop. So, this is my crop top. This is from my ate. Actually, sa kanya talaga to, pero parang binigay niya na sa akin kasi dalawa yung ganito niya. So, ayan. It fit me well din. Ano yung mga waffle na ano, na texture or something. Ganyan siya. Ano to? Galing sa Ukay. Yeah, I know, right? It's so cute. It's like Christmas vibes. Actually, ginamit ko to ng Christmas. Naman ang next. Yeah, short. Okay na yan. This is my maong. Yeah. So, eto na yung ano ko, yung pang-alis ko. Pero, dalawang set lang to. Like, dalawang magkapare. So, kulang pa ako ng dalawa. Dalawa. This is from, ano din? It's from Divisoria din. Yeah. Yeah, we got this for 300 plus. Like, set na to. Or 400. I don't even like that. It's giving summer vibes, diba? So, that's why. Is the top. Actually, I can use this no for doon. This is my favorite short actually. Kasi it's low-waisted. And like, so, kinuha ko to kay mama. Oh my gosh. So, here I have 2 sets. Ito yung mga pang-tabon or scarves. Yeah. And ito yung mga hindi ko pa sure if gagamitin ko ba. Or ito maganda siya. Actually, ito naman, bigay lang to sa akin ng tita ko. So, ito naman yung second scarf ko. It's black. Yeah. So, ito, it's from Ukay. I got this for 50 pesos. So, ito yung sinasabi kong skirt. So, binili ko siya sa Shopee ata. So, ito, binili to namin ate. I don't know what the price is. So, okay, time for this. It's giving pineapple, diba? That's why, ano talaga binili ko. So, that's all muna kasi lalabhan ko pa yung iba. So, bye guys! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Uy! Ano na kayo?